Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of superbikes with the Honda CBR 1000RR. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the scene, this bike has something to offer everyone. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk design. The CBR 1000RR is a true head-turner. With its aggressive lines and aerodynamic shape, it looks fast even when it's parked. The LED headlights and sharp tail design give it a modern touch, while the iconic Honda colors add a classic appeal. The bike features a lightweight aluminum frame that not only enhances its sporty aesthetics but also contributes to its agility on the road. Now, let's get to what really matters in the engine. The CBR 1000RR is powered by a potent 999cc inline-four engine. This beast delivers an impressive power output, making it one of the top performers in its class. With a peak horsepower of around 190, this bike is designed for speed. But it's not just about raw power. Honda has integrated advanced technologies like throttle-by-wire and multiple riding modes to tailor your experience. When it comes to handling, the CBR 1000RR shines, thanks to its suspension setup, featuring Showa's big piston fork and a fully adjustable rear shock. This bike feels planted and responsive, whether you're carving corners or cruising on the highway. The bike's ergonomics are designed for comfort during long rides while still giving you that sporty feel. It strikes a perfect balance between performance and rideability. The CBR 1000RR is packed with technology. The TFT display is bright and informative, providing everything from speed and RPM to riding modes and traction control settings. You can choose from various riding modes, allowing you to adjust the bike's performance to match your skill level and riding conditions. Plus, the advanced ABS system ensures you stop safely, no matter the conditions. Safety is paramount, and Honda has not skimped on features. With an advanced traction control system and cornering ABS, the CBR 1000RR helps keep you stable and in control, especially in challenging conditions. So, what's the verdict on the Honda CBR 1000RR? It's a stunning blend of performance, technology, and safety. Whether you're on the track or the open road, this bike is designed to thrill. If you're looking for a superbike that delivers on all fronts, the CBR 1000RR should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. What do you think about the CBR 1000RR? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.